Good morning, fifth grade. Betsy and I are here. And here comes Bruce. They think someone's in the house because I said good morning. Hi, Bruce. Come here. Come tell the kids hi. Hey. Good morning from the Woodersons. It's Tuesday. And I'm really excited for today. Yesterday went great. It was so fun to get back with you guys and learning with you guys. Thank you to those of you that showed up for Hangouts. That was so fun to just get to talk about what we're doing, where we're going. Really excited. So we're going to talk for just a minute about Tuesday's work. So here, if you go to your, oops. Go to your Tuesday's activity page. You'll see we are going to start Woods Runner today. So we're going to read chapter 1. And it will actually be chapter 1 and the little section afterward that is called communications. So there's going to be a little nonfiction section right after each chapter that you're going to need to read and take notes on. If you want to listen to it, you can click here and listen to it. If you just want to read it on your own, you're free to just read it on your own. You'll click here to take your chapter notes. So I'm going to go here real fast just so you can see what that looks like. It gives you some instructions on this page, but it tells you that you are going to need to give me 3 details for each chapter. So when you read chapter 1, you're going to look for 3 things that happen in chapter 1. And then you need to give me 2 things in the communication section. You need to tell me just a brief summary, just a sentence about what was in that chapter or in that nonfiction section, and then how it relates to the story. So that nonfiction section is not going to have anything to do with our characters or the storyline, but it gives us some background information, and we need to figure out how that relates to the story that we're reading. So you can do that tomorrow, chapter 1 in your chapter 1 notes. You need to work on your how-to paper. I know I requested that yesterday you take a little bit of time, see where you're at. Today, I'm going to devote my Hangout time to writing. So if you want to hop on, if you have some questions, we'll talk a little bit about revising and peer editing. I might just have you mute your screens and then ask questions as you need it. I'll be able to log into your papers and look at your papers and see where you're at. And help you with some of that. So that's going to be the plan for our Hangouts for today. And then you have a grammar activity. So it's a page from your MyView book, page 462. If you want to do it in your MyView book, that's great. Just make sure you take a picture and post it here. Or you can just go to Pearson Realize, that online MyView book that we used in class sometimes. You can click there and just do the assignment online. This is our Hangout page. So we're going to just check in with where you are in your writing. So good morning. I hope you guys have a wonderful day today. I can't wait to see you all on Hangout. Show up at 9 or 1 and we'll get to learning. So thanks. Have a good one.